So first of all, why System.io is such a crazy software is because they have this completely free plan. And this plan basically includes all of the features in it, which is absolutely insane. No other software includes all of the different features, and I'll discuss some of these crazy features later. By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below. And there are some exceptional things, and all of this is completely for free. Obviously, you have some limitations in terms of contacts and how many, let's say, sales funnels you can create and so on and so forth. But still, this is insanely generous, and you will not find this with any other tool free plan. And even if you need to upgrade, starter plan costs as little as $27 a month, and unlimited plan is $100 a month, which is so cheap as well when you compare it to all of the similar tools. They start out with at least $100 a month. And if you buy this annually, you also get 30% discount on top of that. By the way, I created a blueprint for the best business model out there, so check the description. So System is all-in-one marketing platform. Basically, it has all of these different features like creating sales funnels. And so this replaces ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, all of these sales funnel tools. So you can create all of these different steps very easily, and within the steps here, you can create some automation tools. I'm going to discuss this a bit later, but you can do A/B testing, which is super powerful. You can basically test different pages, see how exactly they are performing, the conversion rates, all of those kind of things. Also see all of your different stats. So again, how the conversions, the revenue, how the different pages, the different steps are performing, all of these kind of things. If you're just collecting leads, you can see how leads are performing, how are your sales performing. You even have deadline settings, so you can create pages that have deadlines, which is a super advanced feature. And you can create your squeeze page, you can create basically collecting emails, you can sell your different products, have your down sales, cross sales, so on and so forth, and your thank you page where you deliver your products, so on and so forth. You have all of these different steps that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Next, really important thing to understand is the automations. So in here, basically you have triggers, and this is one of the things as well that I like about System quite a lot, because they have a lot of different triggers. As you can see, basically, if someone, let's say, subscribes to your campaign, if someone registers for a webinar and enrolls to a course, even actually, let's say, just completes a certain module, or even better here, let's say they opened an email, clicked a link on an email, or even visited a page. This is super advanced, and a lot of tools, they don't provide these kind of advanced triggers, and this can really help your marketing and to help you generate more revenue. And once you chose your trigger, then you have your actions. And in here, again, you have a bunch of different actions. Subscribe to campaign. You can add different tags, send different emails, enroll people to a course, add them to community, so on and so forth. So a bunch of different actions, very advanced automations. And then you also have your automation workflow. So basically here it's your email. Let's say someone subscribed to your email form. You send them out first email, and then, okay, did they, let's say you can choose whatever trigger you want. You can basically here choose, okay, what's the action, what is the decision, and let's say they opened or not opened email, or in this case, they clicked on a link, for example. If yes, you maybe send them to a certain campaign, or you perhaps add like a different tag to them. There are, again, a bunch of these different actions. If no, you can do like a delay, let's say 1 day, and then we are sending them out a different email, or perhaps, you can add them a different tag. You can do all of these different type of things as well. So this is a very advanced visual builder that, again, makes the whole process for your automations just so much easier. So if we go to the dashboard, you will actually see there's this column websites, and in here you can create blogs. So you can create blog posts, just pages, you can create sales funnels, what I just showed you, and digital stores as well. So this is the editor. Basically, it's a drag and drop type of editor. So you have all of the different blocks that you can choose, and you can just drag them into here. And then on here, you can just select what you want to edit, and then you get all of these different options, adding the links, choosing colors, adding images, whatever it is, all of these different customizations. You can basically customize everything that you want. And by the way, you also can add pop-ups, which is super powerful, and you can customize the pop-ups here as well. And what I mentioned before, you also have what they call stars. So in here, you can add additional different products. So for example, you can add digital download, you can add course, you can basically choose, actually you can even add affiliate links, you can actually just choose to collect emails. And basically it creates this sort of page where you will see, okay, these are the different products that people can buy right away in one basically simple page. You also have a full-on email marketing, what I kind of like showed you a little bit as well. So you have, aside from the automations, you have newsletters, you have campaigns, and you have statistics. So for newsletters, you have the newsletter builder that looks just like this. So again, you have these different blocks that you can add. And within these sections, you can just basically edit here, whatever it is here, and you can adjust how exactly do you want, what font you want, all of those kind of things within the interface. And then you can create different campaigns. And then basically you can create all of these different campaigns that you can automatically send out, and it's going to show you all of the different analytics for them. Another super important feature is that you can have your own affiliate program, and basically in here you can give commissions to people for selling, promoting your different products. This is super powerful, and actually it is included in the free plan as well, which is absolutely mind-blowing. With the software, by the way, you can sell pretty much everything. As I said, you can sell digital files, you can sell courses, you can even create communities, and also even sell physical products. So just to show you quickly, this is one of the course pages. Again, you just have this visual builder with all of the different blocks that you can add them here. And again, you just need to press on this and you get customization for all of these different things. And this is the community dashboard, so you have all your member settings, things like that, and you can be posting here as well. They also have feature for creating different coupons, so you can create coupons and actually even tie them with different funnels and have expiration dates and everything that you need. And lastly, you also have a built-in CRM, so you have all the contacts, tags, pipelines, calendar here within this tool as well. So it really is everything that you will need. You have your sales funnels that are super advanced, actually, like as advanced as any other sales funnel builder. Also email marketing that is also, I would say, a very advanced in terms of automations. Maybe the interface could be a little bit nicer, but still for what it is, it's absolutely amazing that it comes together. You can build out your websites, manage affiliates, which is super powerful. I've created some videos on strategies about that. You can sell online courses, you can sell digital products, PDFs, and you can have all of these crazy automations as well. And actually, if you would get all of these different tools, funnel builder, email marketing, course builder, affiliate, you would run your own affiliate program. You would need to pay separately for all of these, and that would add up to quite a bit of money. That's why I was saying this is an absolute catch, that you're getting all of this in one software for that low price. And by the way, I have special bonuses and discounts that I will leave in the description.